Spray painting your car at home might seem difficult. But with proper preparation, the right tools, and a step-by-step approach, you can achieve smooth, professional-looking results without a trip to the body shop. First, start by thoroughly washing the car using soap and water to remove dirt, grease, and debris. Once it's dry, sand the surface with 400 to 600 grit sandpaper to remove the glossy top layer of the old paint. This helps the new paint adhere better. Then use masking tape to carefully cover edges and areas you do not want painted, ensuring clean lines and a professional-looking finish. Next, place painter's plastic sheets over the car to protect larger areas from overspray. Trim the sheet around the area you plan to paint, leaving only the desired section exposed. Once everything is masked and protected, you are ready to move on to priming the surface. Spray a light coat of automotive primer over all areas to be painted. Hold the spray can about 8 to 10 inches from the surface and use smooth, side-to-side motions. Allow the primer to dry for at least 30 to 60 minutes. Once dry, lightly sand the primer with fine grit sandpaper to create an even base, then wipe it clean. Next, use a wax and grease remover with a clean cloth to remove any remaining debris or contaminants. Now, apply the base coat over the car surface. Hold it 8 to 10 inches away and spray in even, overlapping strokes. Allow it to sit for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, run a tack rag lightly over the surface to remove any dust particles. Then apply the second coat in the same manner. Avoid heavy spraying, as it can cause runs or drips. Make sure to keep a paper towel handy to wipe the spray tip every few passes to avoid clogging. After the second coat, use a flashlight to check the surface. This will help you notice any areas where the base coat is uneven or too light. If needed, spray a light additional coat to cover those spots. Once the base coat has dried, it's time to apply the final clear coat. Spray the first layer of clear coat to protect the paint and add shine. Wait for 5 minutes, the surface should feel tacky and leave a light fingerprint. Then apply the second and third coats in the same sweeping motion, allowing 5 to 10 minutes of drying time between each. Let the final clear coat cure for 24 to 48 hours. After 24 hours, carefully remove all the masking tape and protective coverings to reveal the freshly painted surface without damaging the edges. By following this method, you can transform your car's appearance with a clean, even spray paint finish, all from your own driveway.